portion here, if you look at it, this portion here sticks out. So I believe this is a stairway, like that. And they're the landings on the stairway. So we've got arrow slits. Oh, it's nice, that one, Monkey. It was nearly ripe. Yeah, I'd love to see inside. You can't do lives inside churches though, can you? But yeah, we've got all this, see this stone walkway, look, all the way along there. That's all gravestones. They're all carved gravestones, look. Hey Brad Lewis, how you doing? And then obviously we've got this